This is TWiT.
It's time for politics.
Yeah.
Well, let's try to keep that out of it. But the United States, the UK, the EU, and NATO have all formally accused China of international cyber espionage, cyber attacks or whatever, including the attack early this year on Microsoft Exchange servers, right? Which you got to think Microsoft is so happy to be in every headline about this story, because really what it's about is a broader pattern of attacks that the Chinese government and its agents have undertaken over a period of at least a decade. And there's documentation about a lot of these attacks, but of course what everyone focuses on is the Microsoft thing. And it's like, guys, it's not just us. SolarWinds, anybody? Nothing.
SolarWinds was Russia, right? It was the Russian GRU.
Yeah.
These guys, these nation states.
Sure.
This is their bread and
China
butter.
doesn't want to be. They don't want to be one up by Russia. So
no, but I think this is the future of international conflict. It's not war. No one can afford a war anymore. But and it's not cyber warfare. It's more like espionage and.
Well, I mean, listen. You start taking down power plants and electric grids.
Could be warfare. That's true. But they got to exchange because why? Because that's where the info is, right? That's what they want.
Right. They're trying to get information about dissidents and people that are anti-China probably. But yeah, and of course they're also trying to steal secrets, right? So they've gone after like aviation, defense, education, government, healthcare, pharmaceutical, et cetera, et cetera. So, yeah, I mean, this is one of those things. I feel like we've been operating under this assumption that this kind of thing has been going on for a long time, and I guess I'll give them a little credit for just kind of coming out and say, look, these guys have been doing this, and this has to stop.
Yeah. Well, and you remember how strongly the president spoke to Putin, saying you can't allow this to happen in your country. I imagine the same kind of call with President Xi, but it's very difficult.
Well, those guys are going to be very receptive to this message. I don't see the problem.
They're sovereign nations. They're going to go, okay, you knock it off, we'll knock it off. How about that?
Right, sure. You stop pretending that UFOs are aliens, and we'll stop doing this cybersecurity thing. So, it's just...
Oh, what a mess. We live in a messy, messy world.